welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the prom inspired look and I'm loving this look. Watch the end of the video so you can see how we came about this look for prom. If you are new, hit the subscribe button right now. If you are old, welcome back to my channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So because I'm breaking out, I'm using this cleanser from Clean and Clear, and I have my cotton here, a little to wipe my teeth. Prom, and so you need makeup that is going to last long, mattifying primer, because this primer lasts forever, guys, and it's expensive. So I'm just going to use a little bit of it on my face. So your brows don't get soggy. I get oily around my nose, so. And you're going to be smiling a lot for your pictures and stuff. So you have to, you know.
Okay, so I've already done my brows using the pencil, so now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I'm done with the brows now, so we are going to the eyes. And for my eyes, I use the Morphe 25C palette. It's a new palette, but it has some wild colors in it, and that's what I used. So for now, I'm using the LA Girl in Fawn as well to set my eyes, to prime my eyes, and I'm using the blender to blend it out evenly. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so to start with my eyes, I'm using a wine toned eyeshadow first. So I'm using a wine toned eyeshadow. I'm going from outer to in of the eyes, and then I picked my flat brush, and then I mixed two colors actually of the Morphe 25C palette, and it gave me this beautiful copper look. And yeah, that's what I'm using right now. So because I used the concealer to start with the whole eye makeup, anytime I put the eyeshadow on it, you realize that I'm not even using an eyeshadow primer, but it's sticking on and it's popping just the way I want it. So for my corner eyes, I'm going with a darker shade of wine, yeah, so that you can see the difference between the copper and then the crease and the other eyes. So right now I'm drawing my winged liner, and oh, I'm winging it. Okay, so I'm doing the other eye as well. So thank you guys so much for the number of subscribers so far. You guys are amazing, and the feedback I'm getting is great, and it shows that you guys really watch my videos. So let's continue. For my under eyes, I'm using a blue pencil to give me a touch of color around my eyes, because you know, if you wear black to prom, white to prom, it's a plain color, so you need, I'm just adding some shades of colors to make the look more complete. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So right now I'm applying my foundation, and my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me 360. Yes, that's what I'm using. And then I'll go in with my flat brush and to blend it out. This brush allows me to go to the like the deepest places of my face, which is mostly the corner faces, which is beside your nose, under your eyes directly. It's flat, so it can go everywhere, and it can easily pick the foundation and spread it for you, and it doesn't soak up the foundation like if you at once go in with your blender. So sometimes I go with full blender, sometimes I go to this brush before I use the blender to smoothen it out. So that's exactly what I'll be doing in this video. So after blending with my brush, then I'll go in with my beauty blender to clean out any harsh lines that were caused by the brush. So yeah, as I was saying, thank you guys so much. And then with respect to my audio, I'm really working on it, and it hasn't been easy for me, but I'm really working on it. My surroundings are quite loud, so that's why I cannot really shout, and I don't live alone, so pardon me, but I'll work on it. So I'm concealing and highlighting my face right now, and with that I'm using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight my 4 areas, which is my forehead, my under eyes, my nose line, and then my chin, sorry. So I'm blending it out using my beauty blender. This is a crucial part of makeup. You have to really blend out your concealer so that you don't look like a ghost at the end of it all. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I really blend that shit out. And now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and it's for all shades. So yeah, that's why I like it. You can use for every shade and it will dust out perfectly. So I'm baking where I applied the concealers, so that's what I'm baking. And then I'm cutting where I would start my contouring on my cheeks from. And so I realized that I needed a little touch more on my eyes, so I'm going in with the lighter eyeshadow color, more of a shimmery eyeshadow color at the cornea part of my eye. So that is making my eyes pop a little bit. So I'm contouring, and now I'm dusting off the excess powder, and with that I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder in the shade 360 as well to dust off my face. So I'm contouring my nose, and with that I'm using the Flawless Ivy powder palette. I think it's 12-in-1 palette, and you can get it from Flawless Ivy Cosmetics GH on Instagram if you need it. So I'm blushing my cheeks a little bit, part of the makeup routine. Now I'm going in with my highlighter from Wet n Wild, and I'm using my brush from BH Cosmetics. So I just wanted to be a little more dramatic, and also because I haven't used this glitter liner I bought a long time ago. It's even dried up, as you guys can see, but I have not used it, and I was like, why don't I try using it today? So I'm using that glitter liner above my eyeshadow. I don't know why, guys, but I thought it was cute, and in the end it was really cute, I must confess. So yeah, so I'm just applying the glitter just to be a little extra. You see, it just made me a little extra. So right now I'm lining my lips, and I'm using a David's Wood lip liner to line my lips. So this lipstick, I've had it for years. I'm sure it was even for my mom, so it's not any known brand. Even the name is no longer on the lipstick. So I'm going in with my lip gloss, and this did a very good job by taking away all, because when I used the first one it was really harsh, so I started to add the gloss. And you know, Prom gloss, SHS, that's all we all use. So yeah, it blended out pretty nice for me. So thanks, lip gloss. So guys, I'm done with my look. I already set my face using the Mario Badescu setting spray. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. And my beautiful gold drop earrings are from Closer Change GH on Instagram. Very, very affordable.
Hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial on this look. So if you do, kindly give me a like and a comment, and if you are new chance upon this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Kindly follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram name up here somewhere so you guys can follow me on Instagram as well. So see you in my next video.